morning to all first.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Last time, in the last class,
Good morning,
we did
ma'am.
exercise 2.1. We did exercise 2.1. Anybody in the class has any query regarding 2.1? Anybody in the class
No,
has
ma'am.
any query regarding 2.1? Please raise your hand. Please raise your hand. I'll ask one by one. Raise your hand. In case you have any query, I'm here to solve. Then only we'll move to exercise 1.2. Aryan, any query? Aryan, Sunil, any query?
No, ma'am.
Akshat? Akshat, any query?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Kashmi? Kashmi? Were you all able to do all the sums we did last time? Did you all try?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yavi is late today. Yavi is late. Yavi is late today. Hurry up, children. Today we are going to start with 2.2. We are going to learn how to add, how to multiply fractions with whole numbers and fractions with fractions, and also improper fractions with whole numbers. Different type of fractions what we discussed last time. We are going to learn how to multiply them with whole numbers also, and also along with fraction with fraction. Himnish is also late. Himnish is late.
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am. Yavi this side. I was late because I was not able to join. There was a network issue.
Yeah, same was here also. Now Himnish is also late. Can we start now? I can see 36 children. I am starting the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Now let's start. We'll start with 2.2. I also sent 2 videos. Did you all watch those videos?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Those videos will help you to understand better how to multiply whole number with. What do you mean by multiplying whole number with fraction? Fraction with fraction. Rupam disconnected. Rupam disconnected. He's entering again. It got disconnected. Now I need to change the view of my laptop so that you all can see the board. I am just changing the view. Just wait it for 1 second. Put your audios off, children. Put your audios off. Put your audios off. All audios need to be off whenever the class is going on. Now I am changing the view of my laptop so that you all can see the board. And just tell me. Can you all see the board? Can you all see the board? You can show by the thumb if you are able to see. Yes, children, very good. Now, I'm going to start with exercise questions. I'm going to start with exercise questions. You can also pin my video so that you all can see the board clearly. Now, as I told you, we'll start with 2.2. Question number 3. First two are pictorial questions. Pictorial, I sent you the video also and we'll discuss after this. First part of question number 3 is 7 multiplied with 3 upon 5. 7 multiplied with 3 upon 5. Here, 7 is a whole number and 3 upon 5 is a fraction. So we are learning how to multiply a whole number with a fraction. What happens when we multiply? Please do not intermingle the rules of addition and subtraction with multiplication. In multiplication, numerator get multiplied with numerator and denominator get multiplied with denominator. In case any common factor is there between numerator and denominator, we can cancel them. Here, nothing in 7 and 5 do not have any common factor. 3 and 5 do not have any common factor. So it will be 7 threes are. What is 7 threes are? Or I will show you this way also. It is something like this. Multiplying numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So it is 7 upon 5. It is 7 upon 5. And you also know how to express an improper fraction into mixed fraction. What we do is, we divide 7 by 5. 5 ones are 5 and 2 is the remainder. So I get the answer as 1, 2 upon 5. Now children, raise your hands in case you have any query. Anybody in the class has any query? Prachi? Prachi, any query?
No, ma'am.
Nikunj, are you able to understand? Nikunj? Speak up, beta, Nikunj. Aryan, Sunil?
Ma'am, 7 to 3 is 21.
21, very good. That's what I was looking for it. 7 threes are 21. 7 threes are 21. So the answer will change accordingly. Why can't others look at it? So when we multiply 7 into 3, we get 21. So we get 5 fours are 20 and 1. 4, 1 upon 5. Sarthak. Any query, beta? Okay, you have shown the thumb. 7 3s are 21. Who else is raising the hand? Let me just see. I think they are Ronik. Any query?
Can you repeat this question?
Okay, you were not able to note down? You joined late?
Yes.
Okay, the question
Ma'am, no.
is 7 multiplied with 3 upon 5. Here numerator is 7, the first number, and numerator is 3 in the second number. We need to, in case of multiplication, we have to multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So 7 threes are and 1 into 5. So 7 threes are, it's 21, 1 into 5 is 5. Then we always need to express whenever we come across with improper fraction, we need to write our answer in mixed fraction. Himnish is again got disconnected, I think. Manthan Kera. Any query? You have raised hand, beta. Manthan, you have raised hand. Any query? Put your videos on so that I can see you people writing. Put your videos on so that I can see you people writing. Manthan, any query? I have unmuted you.
No, ma'am. When you have done the question number 1, I want to say that 7 into 3 was 21. Before I want to say, but you have not seen. I have raised hand, so I have not
Okay. Yavi is again asking something. Yavi. Let me see where is Yavi. Yavi is here. Yes, Yavi.
Ma'am, I want to say that if I on my video I got disconnected, so can I put it off only?
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, are you all getting the same answer? Is there anybody in the class who has a query in any of the part? I've done only one part. I should have moved to the next part. I'll do a few more parts for you. Otherwise, all the parts are the same. All the parts are same. Can I erase the board? You can show by thumb. I can erase the board. Shivam Tiwari, can I erase the board? Yes, very good. I've got signal from most of you. I can erase the board. So I am doing third part. I'm doing third part. Third part says 2 multiply with 6 upon 7. All the parts of this question are of the same type where whole number is to be multiplied with a fraction. You all know we can put 1 below every whole number just to make it convenient, or just to, so that you don't have to confuse. We are putting 1 below the denominator. Now 2 into 6. 2 into 6. Somebody will tell me the answer from you people. I am just waiting for the answer from your side. Anish wants to answer. Let me see, where is Anish? Anish, bolo.
12.
12
12 by
upon
7.
12
7.
upon
7.
7. Very good. Then again express the answer in mixed form. 7 ones are 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 5 upon 7. 1, 5 upon 7. Anybody has query, he or she can raise hand only if there is a query. If you wanted to tell the answer, Anish has told the answer. Anish has told the answer. Nehal has asked. Nehal has some query. Nehal. Yes, Nehal. Nehal, any query? Speak loudly. I am not able to hear. I think there is some network issue at your place. We are not able to hear you properly. I'm not able to hear you properly. Nehal, I'm not able to hear you, beta. Is there anybody else who has query? Yahavi is saying something on behalf of Nehal. Haji Nehal bolo, Yahavi bolo.
Ma'am, she is saying that she do not have any query.
Okay, very good. So once you have understood these two parts, you can easily complete all the parts. I am doing a different type of question now. I am doing question number 5, where we have to
Ma'am, yes,
multiply.
some parts we have to do our own on our own.
Yahavi, you'll come to know the homework, beta. Just focus on the questions what I am doing, okay? You'll come to know the homework. Different types. Let me just introduce with you so that you all can prepare for different type of questions. Can I raise? Question number 5. I'm doing question number 5, where we need to multiply fraction of a whole number. The question says half of 24, and second part says half of 46. There are two parts. I need to make half of 24. I need to make half of 46. How I proceed is, in place of first part, 1/2 of 24 means we have to replace off by multiplication. Here the multiplication is same, only difference is first in the previous question we had whole number here, fraction this side, now we have fraction this side and whole number on the right side. But these two numbers get cancelled, numerator and denominator can be cancelled. So I get 12 as the answer. I get 12 as the answer. Then half of 46. Half of 46. Half multiplied with 46. Similarly, we can get cancel 23. So 23 is the answer. 23 is the answer. Raise your hand, children, if you have query. If anybody has query, he or she can raise his hand, or else I will move to the next part. One more part I want to do. Kashvi Kedia. Kashvi Kedia. काशवी केडिया, हाँ जी बोलो बेटा.
Ma'am, I am not able to understand this question.
Okay, the question was half of 24. Of is to be replaced by multiplication. This is what you have to understand. How of is to be replaced with multiply sign. Then 2 and 24 have, both of the numbers have two common factors. 2 ones are 2, 2 12 are 24. So we get numerator multiplied with numerator 12 and denominator multiplied by denominator is 1. So we get the answer as simply 12. Kashvi, is that clear? Kashvi, is that clear? Kashvi? Kashvi Kedia? Kashvi Kedia? Kashvi bolo? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. I want to do one more part of the same question. We've done till here. I'll move to the next part of this question. One more part of this question. You all are free to raise your hand in case you have query. Only in case you have query. Or if I ask you the answers. Now I'll do fifth part only, fifth question only, and C part. C part. C part says 3/4 of 16 36. 3/4 of 16, 3/4 of 36. So first part will become like this. 3/4 of 16. As I did in the last time, you all should try first, then I'll answer. I want to see how many of you can do. Let me see. I am doing till this step. Let me see how many of you can do, and I will ask you from you people. I'm giving you few seconds. Do it. Then I'll wait. Then I'll ask you people the answers. Everybody must do. Everybody must do. Okay. Yashna, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, the answer of first one is 4.
Answer of first one is 4. Let me see. It is 12. It is not 4, it is 12. It is not 4, it is 12.
How?
Chirag got disconnected.
Ma'am, how?
3
Ma'am,
upon
cut
4 into
kiya.
16. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. Then 3 into 4. 3 into 4 is 12. Yashna, समझ आया बेटा?
Yes,
Yashna,
ma'am.
okay. Put your audio off. Put your audio off. Now, Kashvi, what is the answer of second part?
Ma'am, 3 into 9, which is 27.
Very good. 3 into 9 is 27. 3 into 9 is 27. Children, do you need to do more of the same type? You want me to do more of this type? Show your thumb if you want to do more of this type. Otherwise, Kashmi Kedia, you want to do more of this type? Kashmi Kedia, you want to do more of this type? Sifat,
Yes.
you
Yes,
want me to
ma'am.
do more of this type?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am is for doing more of this type. If not understood, it means if there is some problem,
Ma'am,
can I move to the different type? Can I move to the different type? Chirag, any query? Chirag,
No, ma'am.
are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Jagnoor, any query?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Let's go for sixth question then. They are very simple ones. They are very simple. Once you understand the concept, they are very simple. Sixth is multiplying a fraction, a whole number with a mixed fraction. Multiplying a whole number with mixed fraction. Okay, somebody from your side will tell me what do you mean by 5 1 by 5? Nikunj, what is 5 1 by 5?
Ma'am.
5 1 by 5.
5.
Dharansh, 5 1 by 5. What is 5 1 by 5? What is 5 1 by 5? What is 5 1 by 5? Dharansh, you're not able to tell Dharansh.
Ma'am, 11.
Ma'am.
No. Dharansh,
126.
26.
5, 5.
26 by 5. देखो ध्यान से सुनो 5 multiplied by 5 is 25 plus 1 is 26 upon 5. Now numerator multiplied with numerator, denominator multiplied with denominator, nothing is common. Multiply 3 into 26. Somebody will tell me 3 into 26. Somebody will tell me Akshar, what is 3 into 26? What is 3 into 26? What is 3 into 26? What is 3 into 26?
78.
78. Very good. Nikunj, put your audio off. And is 78? upon 5. Manas will tell how to express it in mixed form. Manas, how to express this in mixed form.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we will divide it, and ma'am, the answer would be 15, 3 upon 5.
15 5s are 75, and then 3 is left out. 15 3 by 5. Very good. Let me do few more parts of this question. I'll do now. When improper fraction is multiplied with whole number, other way around. E part I am doing. E part. 3 1 by 4 multiplied with 6. 3 1 by 4 multiplied with 6. Now find out what is 3 1 by 4. What is 3 1 by 4? Shivam Tiwari, what is 3 1 by 4? Shivam Tiwari, what is 3 1 by 4?
3 1 by 4 is 13 upon 4.
13 upon 4. Very good. Children, others put your audios off, otherwise we won't be able to hear. But here 2 is common. 2 2s are, 2 3s are. So I get 39 upon 2. I need to divide 39 with 2. 19 to the 38. 19 1 by 2. This is the answer. This is the answer. I hope all of you are able to see the answer, and any query, if anybody has, he or she can ask. Put your audios off, children. Put your audios off. And don't write anything in chat. I can't see the chat at this moment of time. Chat I have opened only for your test. On next class, in the next class, we are going to have Daksh. Hanji, bolo Daksh. Daksh.
I was saying that when you, ma'am, I was saying that when you were asking me the question, I was looking, so I was not able to give you the answer.
Okay. The answer is same. Are you getting the same answer? Are you getting the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll do 7th question now. If you're done, I can erase the board. Those who won't have any queries, they will only raise a hand. Otherwise, put your hand down. If you wanted to answer, the answer is being done. Jagnoor, Hanji, bolo, Jagnoor. Jagnoor, bolo.
Ma'am, nothing.
But you had raised the hand, na? You had raised the hand.
Ma'am, I want to.
हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो.
Ma'am, I want to give the answer.
Okay, fine, beta. Now question number 7. Question number 7. Question number 7 is find. I will do B part. 5 by 8 of. Now both the numbers are fractions. Earlier we were doing one fraction, one whole number, or one fraction with one mixed fraction, one whole number with mixed fraction. Now it is fraction with whole fraction with mixed fraction. 5 by 8 of, first part is 3 5 by 6, and second part is 9 2 by 3. 9 2 by 3. Now what will happen? First part, 5 by 8 of 3 5 by 6. 5 by 8 of, convert this into mixed improper fraction. 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 5. 18 plus 5. Somebody will tell me from your side. Ashna Abroy, Yashna Abroy. Soham Bhaumik. What is 6, 3, 5 by 6? Soham?
23.
23 by 6 बोलो ना बेटा. 23 by 6. 23 by 6. Here again, nothing is common between 5 and 8, 5 and 6, 23 and 8, 23 and 6. Multiply 5 into 23. Multiply करो 5 into 23. Multiply 5 into 23. Manas, हाँ जी बोलो 5 into 23.
115.
115. 8 into 6, 48.
Ma'am, upon 40.
8 6 are 48. Now express it in
Yes, ma'am.
mixed fraction. It is not very simple one now. Divide in the rough column. Divide in the rough column and get me the answer. 115 like this. I am doing the rough work here. 48. 48 twos are. I get 2 is the quotient and 16 is the remainder. So I get 2, 16 upon 48. Others, please check your answers. Everybody, please check your answer. Check your answer.
Done, ma'am.
Are you getting the same answers? Are you getting the same answers?
Yes.
Pranay, did you get the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I have to do the second part if you have done this part. Do the second part if you have done this part. I'll do the second part. Can I erase? Can I erase, children? Show it by thumb if you're agreeing that I can erase. Dharansh, can I erase? Yavi, I hope I am not doing fast.
No, ma'am, you're not doing fast.
Okay, I'll do second part of the same question. That I need to find 5 by 8 of 9 2 by 3. 5 by 8 of 9 2 by 3. So it will be 5 by 8 into, express this in mixed fraction. Express this in mixed fraction. 9 3s are 27 plus 2. 29 upon 3. Nothing is common again. Now somebody will tell me what is 5 into 29. Hurry up, children. We are left with only 2 minutes. Jaldi karenge beta thoda. Perlin, what is 2 into 5 into 29? Naransh, 5 into 29. Sarthak, 5 into 29. Aryan Sunil, 5 into 29.
145. Ma'am, 145.
135.
45.
Ma'am, 265. 265.
9 5s are 45. 4. 5 to the 10 plus 4. 145 upon 24. Now express it in mixed fraction. Divide 145. Divide 145 by 24. Are you couldn't get me the answer? We are left with only 1 minute. 24. You can simply multiply like this. 4s are 5s are 6 are 6 are, I think it will go 6 to the 24. 12 plus 2 14. Yes. 26 6 are 6. 1 6 1 upon 24. 6 1 upon 24.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, children, I have to shift the board now. I have to change the view. I need to talk to you regarding your test we are going to have next time. I need to talk to you regarding the test we are going to have next time. Can I change the view? Can I change the view?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Next week, so not next week. Today is Monday. On Wednesday, we are going to have our class test from chapter number 1. I think you all got the message last day. So children, did you find the class useful? You can unmute and tell me. I have given the control to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to